In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Pinokio AI in 2025. Fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. Open your browser and go to pinokio.co. This is the official site for Pinokio AI. On the homepage, click Download in the top right corner. Now, select the correct version for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click the appropriate download button and the installer will start downloading. Once downloaded, open the installer file. On Windows, run the .exe. On Mac, open the .dmg and drag the Pinokio into your applications. Follow the on-screen setup instructions. It'll take just a minute or two. Now, open Pinokio AI. You'll see a sleek interface with built-in tools like LLMs, web UIs, notebooks, and more. You can browse and install AI tools like Cobalt CPP, Comfy UI, and Web UI with just one click, no coding needed. And that's it. You've installed Pinokio AI on your system.